I wanted to show you my procedure for tuck pointing. This is the first time I've ever done something like this, but this is the material that I'm using. I'll go over the procedure, the preparation next. These are the two choices I kind of had in this area. This is mortar repair Akona from Menards. I started with this $4 a caulk tube. Says great for tuck pointing. Gray color. It has sand in it. I would not recommend this at all, and I'll go over why in a second. The second choice, Mortar Fix. Again, tuck pointing. This also does have a sanded texture, but a little bit less. The polyurethane is kind of what comes out. This is limestone color. I would highly recommend this stuff. I got it from Home Depot for $8. Okay, I'll show you what these look like on the wall. I got two fixes here. I'll show you the difference between the two. This fix right here is the Sika mortar repair from Home Depot. It does match quite a bit better. Blends in a little bit. It is a little bit shiny, a little bit lighter. I feel like it matches the mortar a little bit better and very durable. It feels more like a silicone caulk, but I do believe this will last quite a bit longer. Okay, from the Sika, this is what the Akona mortar repair looks like. This here, underneath here, you can see it's quite a bit darker. You'll be able to pick that out here, and then obviously right there. This is after 5 days of curing. I did not like this stuff at all. You can see it just like flakes off with my fingernail. I can just pick all this off. You can just see it flaking off. This is what some of the old repairs look like. Not sure when this was done, but again, it's cracking. I would estimate it was done in the 2010s, probably around 2013. This is some of the stuff that I will eventually be repairing. You see, you can follow these cracks for quite a ways. This definitely have to dig this out to get. Yeah, you can see the loose stuff coming out. So you got to get all that out before you can put the mortar fix in it. Right around the corner here, this is what my repairs look like. I used Sika mortar fix up to here, and then I used an adhesive caulk with a backer rod behind here to affix this drain pipe. This is a fix from the Radon guys. They use like a clear caulk. I don't really like the color of it, but you can see how well that's after 2 years. It's holding up pretty well. So these are the tools that I'm using for this job. I got a stiff blade multi-tool with this point on it. Red Devil stainless steel brush. And then battery operated Dremel with a grout tool. Dremel grout tool. This diamond blade on it, works pretty well. And then I got it turned all the way up. So what I'm doing is grinding out these cracks with this, and then I find some of this loose stuff and pick it out with this. See, that one moves, so I got to get that out of there. And then brush it, vacuum it, and then it'll be ready for the filler. Okay, again, using the Sika Pro Select Mortar Fix for tuck pointing. I've got this Husky variable torque caulk gun. See right there, you can go high or low. For an adhesive like this, I use it on high. Doesn't push out a lot at a time, which is kind of nice. And it's easier on your hand, I guess, to use the high torque. You go a little bit slower, but again, easier on your hand. And so again, I got it on no drip mode. After I just finished that, this is all that's sticking out. This is what it looks like. I just go through and smooth it over with my finger. And then I try and get these cross. So I'm trying to wet in all the edges so there's no bubbles and there's no place for water to get into. And then my goal is to, all these cross pieces, these cross mortar joints, rub my finger across it to make it look like a nice mortar joint.